Hello everyone, welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the Gondwana University PhD admission notification for the year 2021 and 2022. So in this video we are going to discuss all the aspect of this notification and we'll check all the last date of the notification, all the important dates, subjects, everything we are going to discuss in this video. So this video will be a complete guide for you if you are interested to apply in this Gondwana University the PhD admission. So before this, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. We have been picking very good ideas, very good videos regarding the PhD notifications in various universities in India and abroad. So let us see what is the notification. So let's go to the official website of this Gondwana University, that is Gondwana Vidyapit. So here we are into this official website. As you can check all the details here. So here is the notification. As you can see, it is highlighted in the red color. Once you click on this, you will come to this page. So there is a dedicated page for this PhD entrance admission 2021. It is the PET. Okay, alright. So let us see what are the details. So let's start with the subjects. What are the subjects available here? It is written the subjects. So once you click on this subject, so this is the list of subject. As you can check, so here you can see the subjects: the history, sociology, geography, economics, Hindi, English, Marathi, political science, home economics, Dr. Ambedkar thoughts, law, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, mathematics, microbiology, computer science, chemistry, zoology, botany, physics, environmental science, commerce, business, economics, business administration, that is MBA, accounts and statistics, social work, and library. So there are around 27 subjects are available if you want to do the PhD here, and this PhD will be available for this 27 topics. So this you can check. So let us see what are the other details available here. So let us see what is the instructions. Here is the instruction. Once you click on this, so there will be an apply link for this. So you can check here. The login password will be generated once you click on this. Okay. So go to the home page, click on the login tab. Your login ID and password you need to fill. So all the details are given. You need to put your photos, passport size photographs, signature in JPG format and other images format less than 50 KB. You need to also send the UG and PG certificates for this. Okay, so let us see what is the direction number 17. So here the PDF, all the details have been given. So let us see what are the details. So what is the eligibility criteria, procedure, registration of the candidate, allotment, supervisors, guides and research topics, everything will be mentioned here. Okay, so we'll come to the eligibility criteria. Subject to you need to have at least master's degree for this. So what will be the rules of conducting online entrance test, that is PET. So university will conduct the online PhD entrance test, that is PET, for the registration of degree of doctorate philosophy, that is PhD, that is PhD admission to be conducted centrally by the Gondwana University. It will be conducted once in a year, and applications should be invited online. So you need to put the form online only. There is no need to fill the form offline and send to the university. It is not required. Okay. So online admission cards, everything will be given through online. So there will be a section A and section B, 2 sections, that means 2 papers for this PET examination. You can check the section A paper. So there will be logical reasoning, numerical ability, analytical, language aptitude test, general information awareness, awareness of computer and research methodology. Along with that, the paper B, that is second paper, that is based on the subject matter. Okay. Examination duration will be 2 hours. So what will be the mandatory score? That is 50% aggregate for pass the PET examination. Okay. So there will be registration fee for this examination, that is 1000 and 650 for the reserve category, 1000 is for general category, and the validation of this PET will be for 3 years. So once you are given the examination, if you got qualified, then it will be valid for 3 years. So there will be some exemption are also there. So those candidates who have passed for UGC NET, including GRF, UGC CSIR, including GRF, SLAT, GATE, Teachers Fellowship holder will be exempted. So you need not to appear the written examination. So the candidates who have passed the MPhil exam also in regular mode, so they are also exempted from the PET. So you need not to apply for the PET. Okay. So what will be the procedure of PhD admission and allocation of supervisor? It is mentioned in this notification. You can go through this. All the details are given. So let us see what is the last date. Once you go back to the page, there will be an important dates. You can see the important dates will be, so 3rd July the application will be open. That means the application is already open. You can go and check it, and online application will be commenced from 4th July. So notification will be from 3rd July and application will be from 4th July. So it is already live. So last date will be on 20th July. Okay, this is the important thing. Application fee we have already discussed. It is 1000 and 650 for the general category, 1000 is for reserve category. Okay, so let us see what are the other details. So these are the dates and this is the procedure. Everything is mentioned here. I'll put this link into the description. Okay, so you can go and check this notification. So this is all about the Gondwana University PhD admission notification for the 2021. So you can visit the official website. I'll put this link into the description so that you can visit and apply for it. So if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding PhD admissions and other admissions in India and abroad. And please also join our Telegram channel and other social media channels so that you will get the latest notifications time to time. And also share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they will get the notification from our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this video.